Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make some good lemon pepper chicken wings. Okay, please stay with me. In the chicken, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some lemon pepper, and we need some garlic powder, like a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're gonna need some black pepper, of course, like a teaspoon of black pepper too. We're gonna need like half teaspoon of salt. We don't have to put that much salt. And with my creole season, I'm gonna add like 2 teaspoons of the creole season. And I have the lemon, I already cut it. I'm gonna put some of the lemon juice on the chicken. Alright guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna marinate it. I'm gonna marinate it. And when I'm done marinated, I'm gonna make sure it go all over the chicken. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna get the plastic wrap and I'm gonna wrap the chicken and I'm gonna let it stay in the fridge for 30 minutes. Alright, now I'm gonna season the flour. For our flour, I'm gonna put like 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And if you guys have onion powder, I don't have any there, but if you guys have some onion powder, you guys can put some onion powder too. And I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika, like 1 teaspoon of paprika. But this one, the lemon pepper, we're gonna put actually 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper because we're making a lemon chicken pepper wings. I'm gonna make sure we have some good lemon. And my creole season, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon because I don't want it to be too salty. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix it all together. And that's all-purpose flour. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna add a little bit of the creole season. Alright. And the chicken is marinated on the fridge for 30 minutes. Alright guys, the chicken been marinated for about 30 minutes in the fridge. Now what I'm gonna do, put the pan here. I'm gonna get the chicken and I'm gonna put it in the flour. Alright guys, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna mix the chicken with the flour. Alright guys, the oil is hot enough. Now I'm gonna put my chicken. And you see, I'm gonna put the oven on 6 because I don't wanna put it too high so the chicken don't get burned and don't even cook. And I'm gonna let it cook like that for 6 minutes. For the first 6 minutes on this side, and I'm gonna flip it to the other side to let it cook for another 6 minutes. I have like 2 teaspoons of butter, and while the chicken is frying, I'm gonna put the butter in the microwave, and I'm gonna let it melt for 30 seconds. I'm gonna put some lemon juice in the butter, and I'm gonna put some parsley, a little bit, like 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons of the lemon pepper, and I'm gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it together, and I'm gonna take off the chicken and I'm gonna put it all over the chicken. Alright guys, that's the way it look like after I finished dipping the chicken wings on the butter plus the lemon pepper. And that's the way it look like guys, and it was so good. It looks so crispy. And thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Again, thank you so much again for watching. See you guys on my next video. God bless you all. Thank you.